Listen up, you lot. Planning a road trip? Don't even think about ruining it with greasy, sugary rubbish that'll leave you feeling like an old tire. We're taking charge and fueling our adventures right, with healthy snacks that'll keep you energized for miles. Get ready to ditch the junk food and discover some bloody brilliant options that'll make your next road trip the best one yet. Planning a road trip? Don't let unhealthy snacks ruin your journey. In this video, we'll show you how to pack delicious, healthy foods that will keep you energized on the road. Let's make your trip tasty and nutritious from start to finish. First up, let's talk about snacks, you hear? None of that processed garbage. We're going for natural energy that'll keep you going without weighing you down. Fresh fruit is a must-have. Think crisp apples, juicy grapes, or even some sliced mango. It's like a breath of fresh air for your body. Next, we've got nuts and trail mix. Packed with protein and good fats, they're a proper energy booster. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, mix it up and keep your taste buds guessing. But for God's sake, lay off the overly salted ones. We're not trying to dehydrate out here. Now let's talk hard-boiled eggs. Don't give me that look. They're simple, packed with protein, and you can prep them ahead of time. Just don't tell me you're one of those people who eats the yolk first. Absolute madness. And if you're looking for something a bit more substantial, granola bars and whole wheat crackers are your best bet. Just make sure they're not loaded with sugar. We're after fiber and long-lasting energy, not a sugar crash that'll have you snoring in the passenger seat. Right, listen up. Staying hydrated is non-negotiable. Sugary drinks are off the menu. They'll spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish. We need to keep things clean and refreshing. Water is your best mate on the road, plain and simple. But if you're after a bit of flavor, add some lemon or mint. It's like a wake-up call for your taste buds. Iced green tea is another top contender. It's packed with antioxidants and has a touch of caffeine for a natural pick-me-up. Just skip the sugary syrups and embrace the pure, refreshing taste. And if you're sweating it out on a hot day, coconut water is your secret weapon. It's loaded with electrolytes, which help you stay properly hydrated and energized. It's like nature's own sports drink, minus the artificial crap. Chapter 3. Road Trip Feasts, Easy Meals for Hungry Drivers. Now let's talk about proper meals. No greasy fast food stops on this road trip. We're keeping things fresh, healthy, and easy to eat on the go. Veggie wraps are a brilliant choice. They're packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor, and you can customize them to your liking. Just make sure you've got a tight wrap. Wouldn't want your fillings spilling out all over the car. Next up, we've got mason jar salads. They're a stroke of genius. Layered with fresh veggies, protein, and a tasty dressing, all you have to do is shake and enjoy. No more soggy salads in plastic containers. And if you're after something a bit more decadent, Greek yogurt parfaits are the way to go. Layers of creamy yogurt, crunchy granola, and fresh fruit. It's like a party in a jar. And the best part is, they're packed with protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Chapter 4, Road Trip. Wisdom. Tips from a seasoned traveler. Listen, you lot, staying healthy on the road isn't rocket science. With a bit of planning and the right attitude, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious food without derailing your trip. First things first, plan your meals and pack your snacks in advance. That way you won't be tempted by those greasy gas station offerings. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Invest in a decent cooler. It'll keep your snacks fresh, your drinks cold, and your sanity intact. No more warm, mushy fruit or lukewarm beverages. We're traveling in style. And finally, don't forget to take breaks. Stretch your legs, get some fresh air, and enjoy the scenery. Remember, a road trip is about the journey, not just the destination. So relax, enjoy the ride, and savor every bite of those delicious, healthy snacks you've packed. Right, you lot, there you have it. Healthy road trip snacks that won't leave you feeling like you've swallowed a tire iron. Remember, a little bit of planning goes a long way. So ditch the junk food, pack your cooler with nutritious goodies, and hit the road with confidence. And for God's sake, no more excuses. Healthy eating on the road doesn't have to be bland or boring. Get creative, try new things, and enjoy the bloody ride. Now get out there and make me proud.